good evening to one all present here. I'm Vasudha Saraugi, and this is my co-founder, Vamsi Krishna Korasiga, and we bring to you North Star Impact Solution. We are a SaaS platform that wants to redefine the conversation around sustainability over here for you. I'll tell you how. So what's the problem here? Increasing regulatory pressure on industries across the board to report on their ESG performance, on their sustainability benchmarks, climate baselines. How do I say this to you? Look at possibly the EU's CBAM implementable from 2026. Further, from 2026, we are also looking at the CSRD mandating more than 50,000 companies to come and report on their sustainability performance. Further, 60% of companies struggle with data fragmentation, which leads them to not be able to perform on ESG compliance. Above all, because we lack standardized sustainability benchmarks, today we are losing 1.20 billion in potential losses across the global supply chain. That's where we step in. The first thing we provide is sustainability scores and benchmarks. We are going to be coming up with sustainability scores that are built on more than 600 data points that are research-backed and aligned over major global reporting frameworks. We want to track your internal performance and help you provide climate baselines. Supporting to that is what we're going to give you is regulatory compliance and risk mitigation through ESG reporting, which you're well aware of as a commonly provided service. In addition to that, we want to tap into your supply chain, because if we can look into your internal sustainability benchmarks, the first thing we're capable of looking into is standardizing the risks in your supply chain.
And from the offerings perspective, we also give you explorable data analytics using actionable insights. This is using predictive and recommender models. And we have stakeholder-specific chatbots. And during the product market fit, we also understood there's a need for carbon solution and credits, so that's an upcoming module for us. Our target market over here is MSMEs and corporations. And specifically in phase 1, we are targeting energy, automotive, healthcare, and pharmaceutical, because they are highly process intensive, and supply chain fragmentation is also there. That we are going to address that. And we are also targeting investors, VCs, and impact funds as our target customers. And the market size currently, until 2030, it is 26 billion and CAGR of 12.42%.
We are not just another platform. We are here to give you seamless integration with global reporting frameworks. It is our agility that comes through because of our strategic partnerships that we have with some leading academic institutions, mentorship with some of the leading industries and other academicians that help us pull through this research and translate it into these internal sustainability scores we are talking about. We are lean, we are clean, we are nimble. We are only 11 months into operation. We are bootstrapped, but we already have one active company on our portfolio, which is a health tech company. As we are talking to you, we are in pipeline for discussion with 3 companies to co-develop a solution, one being one of the major power distributors of India to co-develop for the energy sector. And in addition to that, we also have been shown interest from an organization in Europe for the automobile sector.
And we have AI-powered recommender systems. One slide back, please. Which gives actionable insights and inferential analytics. It's also stakeholder-specific inputs, which we consider from multiple levels in an industry. Lastly.
Thanks, and we'll just look forward to having a conversation with the sharks over here on how we could collaborate in terms of an ecosystem. Thank you.
Thank you.